Alright, we got a 2011 Honda inside. We're going to be replacing the sway bar end links. So to replace the sway bar end links here, for me, it's just going to be a 14 millimeter here and one down here. So let's go ahead and start breaking it free. Make sure you install that properly and start pushing it down until that breaks free. The same goes for this other one over here. Put it in and break it free. Now, in some cases, you're gonna, like in my case right now, I'm twisting it, but it's not breaking, it's not going free because there's a bolt here that we're gonna have to hold on to. One here as well. There's a backing bolt that we're gonna have to take out in order to make sure these come out. So let's go grab something for that. All right, I'm gonna start taking this one out. I'm gonna use my impact. Alright, perfectly fine. That one actually let go. Alright, let's go on and grab the other one. Hopefully it's the same look. Unfortunately, no luck. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab a wrench. We're going to grab a wrench. And we're also going to grab ourselves about right in here, that's where you'll find a holder. So we're gonna be putting a wrench here. I believe for this one it's a 17, and over here it's gonna be the 14. So let's go on and grab something for that. All right, we took it out now. Now we're gonna grab our brand new one here, and we're gonna start installing it. All right, let's go grab our new one here. Install that bottom one there, and over here, slowly move it around a bit. There we go. That's in. Now we're going to grab the bolts. I'm going to start putting these in as well. Alright. That's one bolt for now. Let's put the other one up here. Alright, now let's grab our impact and start gunning them in. Alright, so the bad news is that the new bolts are new socket size, so now these are 15s. So let's go on ahead and install that. And that's how you install your sway bar end links.